Hello, English learners. Have you ever heard someone say of a rolling stone gathers no moss? It might sound a little strange, but today we're going to unlock the meaning behind this common saying. Imagine Alex, new to the United States, whose friend suggests he should settle down and buy a house. Alex, taking the idiom literally, replies, "But I don't want to be covered in moss." That sounds terrible. This humorous mix-up highlights the difference between the literal and figurative meanings of words. Traditionally, a rolling stone gathers no moss means a person always moving, changing jobs, or traveling will not accumulate wealth, possessions, or lasting relationships. Moss here symbolizes these accumulations, suggesting stability brings growth. However, a modern interpretation suggests constant movement can prevent stagnation and foster creativity. Now let's see how Maria, a young professional, understands this idiom. She was offered a stable job but dreamed of traveling the world and experiencing different cultures. Maria declined the job, saying, "I know a rolling stone gathers no moss, but I'd rather have adventures than a big bank account right now." This shows a conscious choice and a clear understanding of the idiom's nuanced meaning. Here are some example sentences to help solidify your understanding. First, he's moved 5 times in the last 3 years. He's a rolling stone that gathers no moss. Next, she prefers freelancing because, as a rolling stone, she enjoys the variety and new experiences. Finally, my grandmother always warned me that a rolling stone gathers no moss, but I think it's more important to follow your passions. To remember this idiom, imagine a stone rolling down a hill, too fast for any moss to grow. This visual connects to the idea of constant movement preventing accumulation. Let's explore some fascinating facts about a rolling stone gathers no moss. The idiom dates back to ancient Greek and Latin proverbs, showing its long history. It appeared in Erasmus's collection of Latin proverbs in 1508 and John Haywood's collection in 1546. The saying gained popularity with the band The Rolling Stones and Bob Dylan's song, "Like a Rolling Stone." This idiom reflects cultural values about the importance of stability versus the excitement of change. Let's look at some related sayings to broaden your vocabulary. A similar idiom is "a bird in the hand is worth 2 in the bush," emphasizing the value of what you already have. An opposite idiom is "still waters run deep," suggesting quiet people may have hidden depths. A related saying is "jack of all trades, master of none," implying many skills but no expertise. Now, let's discuss common mistakes and how to avoid them when using this idiom. A common grammatical mistake is confusing gathers no moss with gathers no moss. Another mistake is assuming the idiom always has a negative connotation. Remember, it can also be positive, depending on the context, like Maria's choice for adventure. Avoid using it for someone forced to move due to circumstances beyond their control, like refugees. Now, let's test your understanding with a quick quiz. Question: what does "a rolling stone gathers no moss" mean? Choice A, a person who is always happy. Choice B, a person who never settles down won't accumulate wealth or responsibilities. Choice C, a person who loves gardening. The correct answer is B. Well done if you got that right. Today, we've learned that "a rolling stone gathers no moss" has both traditional and modern interpretations. Understanding this idiom enhances your communication skills and cultural awareness in English. We've covered its meaning, origin, examples, and common pitfalls. Now it's your turn. Do you consider yourself a rolling stone or someone who prefers to gather moss? Share your experiences with this idiom in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's content, please like and follow. See you next time.